You just finished a freelance project. You're happy, you get paid, but now you're back to square one hunting for new clients again. Wouldn't it be easier if instead of looking for new projects, you turn one-time clients into repeat clients who keep coming back and paying you more? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Let's go! Hey everyone, it's me, Coach Z, and in this channel, I share everything freelancing. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you have been with me for some time, thank you for staying. Freelancing isn't just about getting clients, it's about keeping clients. Now, here's why long-term clients are game changers. First, less time chasing new leads, because instead of always looking for new projects, you focus on serving and growing your existing clients. Second, higher earnings. Clients who trust you are willing to invest more over time. Next is predictable income. No more worrying about where your next paycheck will be coming from. And lastly, stronger relationships. The more you work with a client, the easier collaboration becomes. So, how do you actually do this? Here are my top strategies. First, over-deliver on the first project. This doesn't necessarily mean working for free. Instead, it's about exceeding expectations in small but meaningful ways, like clear communication, fast turnaround, or a helpful bonus. Second, identify ongoing needs. Clients need help more than they realize. So let's say you design a website. Do they need maintenance next? If you wrote a sales copy, do they need an email sequence next? Third is offer retainer packages. Instead of one-off projects, create monthly service packages. For example, a social media manager can offer a content creation package for a fixed monthly fee. Fourth, stay in touch. Don't disappear after a project ends. Check in, share helpful insights, and you can even offer exclusive deals to past clients. I usually do this when I have a new offer. I go back to my previous clients and let them know that I have this new service and maybe they need it or someone they know might be needing it. So always stay in touch. And of course, make hiring or rehiring a no-brainer. If a client needs something in the future, they should think of you first. That means being professional, reliable, and easy to work with. Want to take things further? Here are the ways to increase the lifetime value of a client. First, bundle your services. Instead of offering just one service, package related services together. For example, website design plus SEO, like in my case, YouTube strategy plus funnel design. Second, upsell strategic add-ons. Suggest additional services that you genuinely think will benefit the client. Again, if you think that it will benefit the client and not just because you want to earn more, okay? If you feel like some of your services can benefit your client, then offer an upsell, all right? Third is turn your clients into brand ambassadors. Happy clients refer. So when they enjoy working with you, if you're happy with your deliverables, the tendency is they will refer you to their friends and their community. So here are my final thoughts and an action step for you. Your best future clients are often your past clients. Instead of constantly chasing new leads, focus on building long-term relationships, because that's where true freelancing freedom comes from. Now, take an action today. Reach out to a previous client, offer a helpful suggestion or a new service idea. Who knows? They might just turn into repeat clients. I hope you enjoyed this episode. You learned something today. And if you did, please let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, and if it's not too much to ask, please share this to anyone who is also into freelancing or is thinking about freelancing or already in the journey of scaling their freelance business. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you on my next episode.